So today I want to show you the water tank fill spot. I've removed the holding tank here. So on the outside of the camper, let me see how this went. This was on the outside of the camper. And I decided to lift this up to see what was under there, and it broke right off, as you can see. So I removed it. And again, keyword on this camper being nasty. Do you see that tube? And look at this tube. You can see down in there, there's stuff in there. It's gross. So the tubing, of course, will be replaced. So I went on Amazon that night and I ordered this. It's different because that one is square, this one is round. So I'm hoping that it takes care of it, because all the ones I saw online were round. So this being in 1987, I guess things have changed since then. But anyway, the new tubing will be changed. The tank really doesn't look that old at all. It's just this tubing is really bad. So I'll be replacing that. So I'm not going to put this new one on yet because I'm going to paint the camper. So I just have duct tape over that hole over there, and that's just going to cover it until I don't want to have to remove this to paint again. So I'll just leave it off until I'm ready to install it permanently. So that's it for today. Another nasty little thing from the camper. It looks like it's like rusted, actually. I think it's metal, that little part that broke off. So anyway, I got a solution. It was quick. And I'll see you on the next video. Subscribe if you haven't already. There'll be a giveaway when I hit 1,000 subscribers. Bye.